Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing 2 ice creams. First, we're gonna draw a lolly ice cream. Draw the melting chocolate on top of the ice cream. And then the ice cream stick, because it's lolly ice cream. Next, we're gonna draw an ice cream cone. First, we're gonna draw curve and curve and curve and curve, and then a bigger curve for the top of the ice cream, and then the cherry. And then we're gonna draw the cone. For the pattern of the cone, just draw some lines like this, diagonal lines, and the other diagonal lines crossing the previous lines. And now we are ready to color. We're gonna use colored pencil. For the top of the lolly, it's chocolate, so color it with brown, dark brown. And the bottom of the ice cream, it's dark blue. For the ice cream cone, we're gonna color it with 2 colors. First, draw wavy lines and color the bottom of the ice cream yellow. And half at the top, it's red, as well as the cherry on top. While the ice cream stick and the cone, they are light brown. And they're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.